So today we're at the Fête du Pain in Veyrignac and we're looking at the windmill. So this is a model someone has made. Quite interesting. Put the grain in there. There you go. And here is a working model of a watermill. So, here's your source, turns the wheel, drops through into the race. Quite complicated. There it is, turning the wheel. Wonder if John can make me one of these. And the miller. Okay, Fête du Pain, and it's a wood-fired oven. They've already done a bake, and the bread is over there for sale, and they've got loads and loads of wood here. So the next thing to go in the bread oven apparently are pizzas, and there she goes, making one now. One ready to go. More bread coming out, ready to get sold. And we're just getting the temperature up in the oven. Okay, so we're raking the ash.
Ah, il est là, oui, il est là.
And we're ready to go. Pizzas are going in. And they are going to be baked right on the hot floor of the oven. Bit of flour on the tray so it doesn't stick. You can see how fierce that fire is in there. Oh, there's a couple more coming. Not too many.
Finished?
Oh, crikey, they're ready that fast. These are cooked, guys. So I think that's a creme fraiche base, and then there's onions and lardons. But that is how quick, without even shutting the door, that is how quick your pizza's cooking. Here you go. The original stone baked pizza.